If a plus a plus a equals to a times a, we have to find the values of a. Let's try. So this question was asked in an entrance examination. So a plus a plus a, this we can write it as 3a equals to a times a equals to a cube, or we can write it as 3a minus a cube equals to 0. If we multiply both the side by minus sign, then it is minus 3a plus a cube equals to 0, or we can write it as a cube minus 3a equals to 0. We can take a here common and write a square minus 3 equals to 0, or a times a square. 3 we can also write it as square root of 3 square. Why? Because when x is under square root, it means x is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. When we square the square root, it means exponent is also multiplied to 2. Then 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, we can write x as square root of x square equals to 0. Now, this is in the form of differences of square. A plus b times a minus b. So, this we can write a times a plus square root of 3 times a minus square root of 3 equals to 0. Now the solutions for a are when a equals to 0, this is one solution. When a plus square root of 3 equals to 0, then a equals to minus square root of 3. When a minus square root of 3 equals to 0, then a equals to plus square root of 3. Therefore, there are three solutions for a equals to 0, a equals to minus square root of 3, or a equals to plus square root of 3. This you can also calculate from here. If you write a times a square minus 3 equals to 0, when a times b equals to 0, then either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. So a equals to 0 and a square minus 3 equals to 0. That means a square equals to 3. We square root both the side. So this is plus minus square root of 3. So a is either plus square root of 3 or minus square root of 3. Now square root of a number, for example, square root of 16 is 4. It is not plus minus 4 but just positive 4. But whenever we are solving a quadratic equation, there are always two solutions, plus and minus. So this also gives us the solution of plus square root of 3 and minus square root of 3. Let's verify this solution. No need to verify the 0. So when a equals to plus square root of 3, so we write square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 equals to square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. So this is equal to 3 times square root of 3. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 3 square times square root of 3. Square root gets removed with the square. So it is equal to 3 times square root of 3 equals to 3 times square root of 3. LHS equals to RHS. When a equals to minus square root of 3, again minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 equals to minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3. So this is minus 3 times square root of 3 equals to minus minus plus 3, and then this minus, so minus 3 times square root of 3. Again LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, these solutions are valid. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.